This video explores Home Assistant versus Loxone. Choosing the right smart home system can transform how you control your home without expensive setups or limited customization. We'll look at both open source flexibility and all-in-one solutions. Home Assistant and Loxone are popular smart home platforms with distinct approaches. Home Assistant offers open source customizable automation, while Loxone provides a turnkey integrated system. The core difference lies in flexibility versus simplicity and pre-configured hardware. Home Assistant is an open-source smart home platform designed for maximum customization and control. It runs on local servers like a Raspberry Pi, allowing users to integrate thousands of devices and services. Its automation engine lets you create complex rules tailored to your lifestyle. Strengths include strong community support, privacy through local control, and continuous updates. However, setup can be technically demanding, requiring some knowledge of networking and configuration. It's ideal for tech-savvy users who want full control over their smart home ecosystem and prefer a DIY approach without vendor lock-in. While it supports a wide range of devices, it depends on user effort for maintenance and troubleshooting. For those who enjoy tinkering and prioritizing flexibility, Home Assistant offers unmatched adaptability and extensibility. Loxone is a comprehensive smart home system focused on ease of use and seamless integration. It combines dedicated hardware with software to deliver an all-in-one solution for lighting, climate, security, and more. Loxone's mini server acts as the central hub, pre-configured for smooth operation with minimal setup. Its strengths lie in reliability, professional installation options, and a unified ecosystem designed to work out of the box. Limitations include higher upfront costs and less flexibility compared to open source platforms. Loxone targets homeowners seeking a polished plug-and-play experience with strong vendor support and minimal technical involvement. It's perfect for those who want a consistent smart home setup without spending time on customization or troubleshooting. While less customizable, Loxone's system delivers stable performance and straightforward control through intuitive apps and interfaces. Home Assistant excels in flexibility and device compatibility, making it ideal for users who want to customize every aspect of their smart home. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts comfortable with setup and maintenance. In contrast, Loxone offers a streamlined, integrated experience with professional support, suited for those prioritizing ease and reliability. For example, if you want to build a unique automation with niche devices, Home Assistant is the better choice. But if you prefer a ready-to-use system with consistent performance and less hands-on work, Loxone fits best. The trade-off is between DIY customization and turnkey simplicity. Both systems support essential smart home functions, but your decision depends on your technical skills, budget, and how much control you want over your setup. Choose Home Assistant if you value customization, privacy, and broad device support, and you're comfortable managing your own smart home setup. Loxone is recommended for users seeking a reliable, all-in-one smart home with professional installation and minimal fuss. It delivers consistent performance with less technical effort. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you want full control or a streamlined, ready-made